News.
And news it has become, and we shall be keeping a close eye on those political possibilities as they continue to take form. But moving on, a total of 422,000 people in Kenya have so far been vaccinated against the coronavirus. Exactly a month after the first batch of the vaccine was received and distributed across the country, the Ministry of Health has reported that more men than women have been vaccinated against COVID-19, although the general uptake is still low. Meanwhile, Kenya's COVID-19 positivity rate is now at 14.9%, following 1,091 new infections, and 17 deaths having been reported in the last 24 hours. Here's KTN's Daniel Kariuki with the very latest.
Since the government launched the COVID-19 vaccination drive 1 month ago, slightly less than half of the vaccines have been administered to Kenyans. A total of 422,400 people have received the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. 228 people have received the Sputnik vaccine. Out of the over 400,000 Kenyans, more men that account for about 56.5% have been vaccinated, compared to 183,499 women, which is 43.5% of the total vaccines. Kenya received 1 million vaccines from the COVAX facility and an additional 100,000 as a donation from India, with 9 region depots across the country setting off the vaccination exercise. The county of Nairobi is leading with a total of over 137 people who have received the jab, followed by the counties of Nakuru, Uasin Gishu and Kiambu respectively, with Lamu having the lowest number, 339 people who have been vaccinated, followed by Marsabit, Tana River and Mandera counties. Vaccine apathy among health workers, teachers and security officers is still being reported, as a majority of people who have received the jab are not on the first phase of the priority groups. Nairobi County leads in the regions that have more vaccine stock.
I would wish to ask all the teachers of this nation to be bold and be vaccinated.
The purpose of our vaccination is to save the lives of those who could die, yet a vaccine could prevent their death. Therefore, teachers are at risk, and it's no doubt because of the nature of their profession.
And as the slow uptake of the vaccine continues, the Ministry of Health in a statement on Friday announced 1,091 new infections tested from 7,300 samples and 17 deaths in the last 24 hours, with all of them having occurred in the last 1 month. Kenya's cumulative fatalities are now at 2,309. However, the Ministry of Health has announced 533 new recoveries, 292 from home-based care and isolation, and 236 from various hospitals across the country. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Well, here's a bizarre story. At least 70 students from